Hey guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay. Welcome to another video. Finally, I'm doing another project pan update. The last update I did was in November last year, so a few months ago now. And I must say, I'm going to be upfront and honest that I have not had a lot of progress in the makeup side as much as I would have liked. In the last several months, you guys probably already know this because I've mentioned it in a few other videos, but since changing my job position, I used to work front of house. Now I work as a chef. Going back into the kitchen, I haven't really felt a need to be wearing makeup. In fact, it's kind of counterintuitive, kind of pointless really to be wearing makeup in the kitchen. So when it comes to wearing makeup, I don't have a lot of progress. I have used up a few of these products, which I'm actually quite proud of. I'm going to show you guys the progress that I've made with whatever it is that I've got in my project pan. I'm adding a few little things. I'm taking, I think, a couple things out. But yeah, that's what today's video is. If that is something that is quite up your speed and you were not yet subscribed, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I put a new video out every single Sunday. Yeah, let's get straight into this video, guys. Okay, the first thing in this project pan, you guys already know, is this Dream Street ColourPop palette that Kathleen Lights made in collaboration with ColourPop. I haven't made any progress on this at all since the last video, so there's no point showing it to you. Again, to recap, I've been trying to use these two as crease work and this one shimmery shade here as an all over lid color, but again, I haven't really been wearing makeup to work, so there hasn't been any progress on this at all whatsoever. I don't think I've even used it since I created that last project pan video. Maybe I should remove it, maybe I should, I don't know. I kind of don't want to be defeated. I want to hit pan on at least one of them. There is a dent in the shimmery one and the shade Potion here because it's a really nice crease shade. It's really easy to just throw in the crease, even just pat it all over the lid and then put a little bit of that on the inner corner, even use it maybe as an inner corner highlight. If I was wearing makeup to work every single day like I used to, I would definitely be making a whole lot difference of progress in these products. It's just, as it is at the moment, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I'm wearing a lot of makeup right now because I filmed this look earlier today. If you want to see that video, I'm going to leave it linked up here or in the description box down below. I used the Juvia's Place mini palette. That's the Dream Street. No point showing it to you any further because I haven't made any progress on it at all whatsoever. Same goes for the OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo highlighter. I probably have used a little bit of this on the days when I wanted to glow a little bit more, when my skin was looking a little bit dead, dull, and lifeless. A really good tip that I've heard from someone, I forget who it was, but they said if you're wanting to not wear makeup but still look glowy, do your normal skincare routine and then pat a little bit of highlighter just on the high points of your face, and that has made a little bit of a difference. And so that's what I've been doing with this highlighter. It just hasn't been happening every single day. So I've definitely hit pan on this, but I kind of want to use everything in the pan before I call it quits. The next product is the OFRA Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I haven't made much progress with this. I have two because I think I had one in the bag and then one here in my filming room, but since not wearing makeup to work, I cleared out my work bag and then put this in the drawer. So I don't remember which one it is that I was using for my actual project pan, but let's just say I'm using them both and just trying to use them both up. Maybe I should go back to wearing makeup to work just for the sake of using this up. Or just wear no makeup to work and wear a bright bold red lip. I wonder how that would look. Quite ridiculous, I'm guessing. The Maybelline City Bronzer, same boat. I have made a little dot in the center there. I don't know if that happened in the last project pan video. I don't quite remember if it did or not. There's still a lot bit left in There's still a lot of it left in the pan, and I'm gonna persevere with it. It's just, again, not been wearing makeup, like I've already said a million trillion times in this video. Next one was the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. I'm actually pretty pleased with our progress with this on the days where I wasn't wearing any makeup but still wanted to put a little something on, like a little something. If it wasn't a highlighter, it was mascara, and this one I've actually finally used up, if not dried up. Yeah, no, I think it's all gone. It's all fairly dry. So, proud to say, ta-da! I used something up, and it's Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. Finally, thank heavens, something I can say that I've used up. Okay, another thing that I can say I have used up is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I initially didn't like this foundation, but the more that I used it, the more I started moving towards more dewy and glowy finish foundations. This one is a very, very fresh wear foundation. I wouldn't say that it's got 24-hour wear, probably 8 hours at best if I'd set it with powder. I would probably repurchase it for sure. Another foundation that I'm really enjoying at the moment because I'm loving the dewy, glowy finish is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Foundation. This one says all day wear and it's got SPF 18 in it as well, and it doesn't break me out, which is quite good because usually SPF foundation will break me out, but this one has a very, very dewy, glowy finish, even more so than this one. And even after I have set this with powder, with a little bit of powder in my T-zone, still shines through as glowy. So I really like this, and the wear of this is actually a fair bit longer than this one even. So would recommend that one if you're looking for a dewy foundation. But yeah, finally really happy to say that I have used this one up, thank heavens. I'm not adding another foundation to my project pan because it's kind of pointless if I'm not going to be using it. We'll see what happens with my next project pan. I'm not sure. I might add some other things, I might not, but we'll see. The next one was the SCHWARZKOPF Daily Oil Elixir for Hair. Now, I didn't actually end up using this. I had someone comment in my last video that if I was struggling to use this up, to use it as a hair mask and just like leave it in there and then wash it out after a few hours. And I thought that was a fantastic idea, and I was gonna go and do it with the last little bit that's left in this bottle here, just like that much. But when I opened it to use it, it actually kind of smells expired. So unfortunately, I'm going to be removing this from my project pan and not using it because I don't really want to use expired products on my hair. It'll probably be fine. It just smells a little bit not quite right. So I'm going to be removing that from my project pan. I feel like a little bit of a cop-out that it actually expired and I didn't actually end up using it. But you know what? It is what it is. Removing that from my project pan, and yeah, that's the update on that one. Some things that I added to my project pan in the last update video. This one is the Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade Bury Me Up. Again, haven't made a whole lot of progress on it, but it's quite easy for me to make a little bit of a dent in it because it's a smaller pan. It's easy for me to get my brush all up in there. There's not a lot of progress made on it. There's a few dents in it because when I went away for a weekend to my sister's place in Melbourne, I put it in my makeup bag and the lid broke off, just like it did with the last one. And it was moving around in my makeup bag and it was just kind of getting dented and everything. So that's why it looks kind of mangled. And the next one was an Avon Wish of Happiness perfume. Now, I think I added it in my last video and then used it up very soon after because it had only that tiny little bit of it. Now, this perfume has been in my life for almost 10 years now, and what I love about this scent is that it actually brings back really happy memories for me, and I'm kind of sad that it's gone because it's actually a discontinued scent as well. And I don't know why this is the one scent that I decided to put in my project pan to use up, but you know what? It's done, it's gone. I still have the happy memories, but oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I wish I could find this. I tried to actually find this on eBay one time. Just cannot find it anywhere anymore. I think it was a limited edition Christmas perfume because it was in a little collection of Wish of Happiness, Wish of Hope, Wish of Peace. This Wish of Happiness was like my favorite scent for such a long time. Unfortunately, it's all gone, but really proud to say I used up a fragrance. I find fragrances are a little bit more difficult to use up. Proud of that progress there. Not only that, I don't know if I actually included this in the last project pan video, but for some reason I had it in my mind that I did. I don't quite remember. That was several months ago now, and there's a lot of things happened between now and then. But I used up this Bath & Body Works Butterfly Kisses perfume. It's really cute. It's also a really, really delicious scent. If you guys haven't tried this one out, definitely go try it out. I don't know if it's still being made or if it's being discontinued, but if you can find it, Bath & Body Works Butterfly Kisses, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful scent. It reminds me of flowers, like you're walking through a botanical garden and everything is in bloom. That's what it reminds me of, with a hint of sexy in it too. Oh, something else, another lipstick that I had in my project pan was the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade What's Your Sign. I have actually made a fair bit of progress on this look. It's because this one is actually my go-to lipstick. It's my go-to shade of lipstick when I have absolutely no idea what to wear. I line my lips with a darker brown lip liner from ColourPop. I think it's the Bretman Rock not wet collection. It's a Bretman Rock lip liner in the shade BFF3. I line my lips with that beautiful deep brown shade that's quite suited to my skin tone, and then I fill it in the center with this shade here. Love that lip combo. It's beautiful. I love it. You guys have probably, if you watch any of my makeup tutorials, you'll probably have seen me do that lip combo many times. So there been a progress on that one. Now the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, that is a mouthful. I haven't made any progress with this. Like, I know it's skincare, but I have been really into my Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, but I probably should crack down on using this facial oil because it's a really good one as well, but it's almost like quadruple, 10 ruble the price of this one here. Haven't really made any progress on it, but I'm gonna try and remind myself to use it up. Use it up, Judy. Use it up. Something I have used up though is the L'Occitane Imortelle Reset Serum. Finally, I just scraped out the last little bit of this the other week. I just took the lid off and just went like, and try to use the last little bit of it. It's a shame. I definitely want to repurchase this if I had the money. This little bottle was $90, so that's expensive. It's a really good product and I really love it and would recommend. It's just something I can't really afford at the moment. My review for this serum actually went not viral, but it's probably one of my most viewed videos on my YouTube channel. I think it's 20,000 plus views. If you haven't seen it, guys, I'm gonna leave it linked up here in the description box down below. But it's one of the videos on my channel that actually has done really super duper well, when on average my videos now probably get about 60 views. I mean, like, what's up with that? Anyway, moving on. I said before perfumes were a really difficult thing to use up, and here I am with 3 bottles of perfume used up in one project pan update. I'm doing really well, guys. I've actually managed to remember to use up perfumes. I also have my Coco Chanel Mademoiselle perfume, which isn't part of my project pan, but I've been trying to make a point of using it up. I've got that little, I think it was a 50 ml bottle all used up as well. So I'm doing really well on fragrances this time, you guys. I'm actually remembering to spritz myself with some perfume. I think it must be because in my routines in the morning, because I've cut out makeup, I actually remember to spritz perfume because I'm just doing skincare and spritzing perfume in the morning. So I mean, like, surely I can't forget one of those since my get ready routine right now is incredibly minimal, like minimal. So yeah, used up the Chloe perfume. I love this scent. It's really beautiful. I love it. This scent works really well with my particular skin chemistry. I would be looking at getting that one again in the future. Something else I added to my project pan last time was this FOCALLURE face contour stick. It's actually what I'm wearing on my face today because when I was preparing for my filming lineup today, I remembered that I had to use it. So I used it today. Again, I haven't made a lot of progress with it because, again, makeup. I still have a fair bit left in the tube right there. I don't think it would take me a lot to use up this stick, so I'm gonna just try and remember to keep using it. I suppose that's the whole point of this video, isn't it? Just, all right, 3 things that I'm adding to my project pan this update. One's actually perfume because I was doing so well. Since the last update, I used up actually 4 bottles of perfume. I'm adding this Indian Night Jasmine. Now this one is from The Body Shop. I love the scent of jasmine. It is one of my favorite scents. This one smells really good. It's not a very strong fragrance. It feels more like a clean, it reminds me of cotton, but it's not cotton. I'm really bad at describing perfumes, but this one is an Indian Night Jasmine, and I think that's exactly what it smells like. It's beautiful. I love it. I've only got about that much left in the bottle. So hopefully by the next project pan update I do, it'll be used up and I can add another perfume to my project pan because I have a lot of perfumes. I've got so many, you guys, like so many. I want to use them up because it's such a waste having them sit there and look pretty, but there's no point in them looking pretty if I don't benefit from them, right? So I'm going to keep on adding perfumes to my project pan. The other thing that I'm adding is this Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. It's a little bit of a mouthful. This is another thing that I am trying to use up because, again, it's an expensive product and I just can't have it sitting there. I'm probably close to the very end of it anyway. I've probably used up most of it at this point and I just want to give myself that little bit of push to use the rest of it and be able to get rid of the bottle because I've actually used a whole lot of skincare in the last several months, you guys. I've just filmed my empties video. Majority of it was actually skincare. These 3 things are skincare. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, and I've used up all of those. So I don't know why, for the life of me, I keep forgetting to use up the other serums that I have there. But anyway, I just need to remind myself to use them. The other thing that I'm adding as well is the OFRA Cosmetics active serum. Now I'm pretty sure this one is almost empty. Almost empty. In fact, is it? Oh no, there's still a little bit there. That's actually a really expensive product, and I've just spread it out on my hand. Oh, I love the smell of this product. What this one does is actually an active serum. It's like a conductor that when you apply it to your skin, any other skincare that you apply on top, it draws it even further into your skin. So it's probably got a fair bit of hyaluronic acid in it as well. I love the way that this feels on my skin. It's an incredibly luxurious high-end skincare product. Would not recommend for the price point, would recommend for what it does for you. If you want to spend a phenomenal amount of money on a serum, go for your life. But yeah, that's expensive. That's very expensive. So adding that to my project pan, it's nearly finished. I'm pretty sure it's nearly all gone, but I just want to make sure it's all completely gone before I get rid of the bottle. So I think that's it for this video. Whew, that was a lot of talking. I'm just recovering from being sick, and I'm just trying to find my voice again. I'm probably losing it right now. I'm losing my mind, that's for sure. I'm 100% losing my mind. So that is my cue to sign off right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! And the notification bell because I put a new video out at because the Maybelline City Bronzer is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear. Infallible 24-hour. I can't think. It's really hot in here. Also, hopefully by the next project pan up a date. So it's formulated with Dead Sea minerals and omega-3, something called matrixyl synthesis. I don't know. Have no idea what that is.